Hey, it's Lucy. I didn't really know how to start this video, but I think I just wanted to sit down and talk while I pack some of my April snail mail orders. Oh yeah, so as you can see on the screen, I have two very cute little bunnies. They were actually meant to be half the size, but I accidentally ordered them too big, but I kind of like how big they are. I felt like they'll be really good for water bottles and stuff like that. The next thing I made is this cool little activity where you have like the sticker sheet accompanied by a background, and it's all Easter themed because April is the month of Easter. And how it works is you just decorate it however you want, so the bunnies can be facing each other, they could even be in the sky, in the clouds, or you can add little bees to help them fly. So yeah, you can decorate it however you want. And of course, with all snail mail clubs, there is the letter, and it's top secret so you can't read it in this video, but it has a really cute background. Now back to the story about my Instagram account. So recently my main Instagram account, the one I've been building for about 9 years, was suddenly suspended. I'm still in the process of appealing it, and honestly I don't really have answers yet, so I'm just waiting and hoping and just pretty much praying. But I think instead of waiting around and hoping that everything will go back to normal immediately, I kind of want to treat this as a fresh start. Not so much where I redo everything, rebrand everything, but a different way to just do a mini fresh start, if that makes sense. Not because I have to move platforms or anything, but because I actually miss making videos like this. I remember last year I had so much fun making a lot of YouTube videos of the first time I had my art market, me making thousands of art prints, thousands of sticker sheets and stuff for my events, and that was very exciting. So I do want to try and do that again this year, but hopefully, I know that last year I got a little burnt out from just trying to make videos constantly, so I'm going to try to do a different approach this year and keep it as low pressure as possible, and hopefully that'll make me a bit more consistent. Right now I'm packing my April snail mail orders, which is very exciting, and honestly it's moments like these that remind me why I started drawing in the first place. Having the idea that someone would want to have my art just shipped to their address is so cool. Imagine having your art, your stickers being used at someone's home, in their journals, on their wall. It's really warming. I just really love creating small tangible things that people can hold on to, like stickers, prints, little characters, and honestly I just find that so cute. Now don't get me wrong, I hate the idea that my account got suspended. I honestly don't know when I'm gonna get it back or if I ever will, so I'm choosing to look at it a little more positively, even though I'm really sad and I cried a little. But I do want to come out in a positive note and in a positive outlook that this could be a chance for me to try something new, try something different, and it might come out better than I expect. I'm not gonna lie, losing my account has been really scary. It held years of work, memories, and people I connected with, and it also helped me get so many opportunities, like brand deals, collaborations, getting into events which I never thought I would be able to, and also being able to connect with other businesses and work on cool projects with them. And I honestly don't think, or I'm not sure if starting from scratch is ever gonna bring me back to that stage again, but I'm trying to remain hopeful. And it's also helped me realize that I shouldn't be relying on just one platform anymore. I know I've been working on TikTok and my YouTube, but I guess Instagram was my main and most active platform. So I guess it is kind of like a reminder that I should be just as active everywhere as much as I can. Although I do want to take it in a different approach where I don't burn myself out and spread myself too thin as well. But yeah, so this video is pretty much me talking about me trying again, but in a more hopeful and slower manner, I think. So if you're watching this, thank you for being here. Whether you're new or you follow my work for a while, I really appreciate you more than you know. So I'm just going to keep making art, packing orders, and sharing what I care about. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.